Hey there, this is Atika Vadari from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, we're gonna make a program which will print the greatest number among the three numbers. Okay, so let's make a new file, tut32.py. Okay, so we will not make an ordinary program. Instead, we will define a function. So define largest or greatest will be more good. Okay, here we will give three parameters a, b, c. Okay, now here we will use condition. Okay, so first condition will be if a is greater than b. So if a is greater than b, it will check whether a is greater than c also. So if a is greater than b and c, so here we will print a. Okay, so guys, I hope you remember that we learnt and or operator in my previous videos. So here we won't use this method, we will use and operator. So here we will write and, here we will copy it and paste it. So now there isn't any use of this line, so we will write it like this. This is more good. Okay, so now if a is greater than b and c, so it will print a. But I told you that even if one condition is false, the whole statement will be false. Okay, so now here we will write else if b is greater than c. So if a is not the largest one, it will check between b and c. Okay, so if b is greater than c, it will print b. And else if c is greater than b, it will print c. We have used print here, but if you want, you can use return also. Okay, now here we will call our function greatest. Okay, here we will give three arguments. So if I give a to be 10, b to be 3, and c to be, let's say, 15. Okay, and now let's run our program. See, 15 is the greatest. Now let's change the value. Let's give a to be 20. Okay, see, 20 is the greatest, and here let's say 23. We have changed the value of b. So see, 23 is the greatest. Okay, so right, that's the program. Hope you understood it. So see you soon in the next video, guys. Thank you for being with me till the end of the session.